All right, hello and welcome, traders. It's December 24th. Merry Christmas Eve to everybody out there. And for tomorrow, for those of you, have a Merry Christmas. Happy holidays to everybody. Super thankful for all of the folks we have in our Discord. Super thankful for all of you that have followed my journey here on YouTube, the ups and the downs as well. And we're going to end this month right now with the best trading month we have ever had in 40 years of trading. So it's a great thing here to end on a great note. We've had a good year with the exception of 1 month in August during Volmageddon, a little bit of pain there for us, but we certainly have rallied. All other 11 months have been positive, and since Volmageddon, we're trading extremely well with our best month of trading ever. So really recovered well, and things are going great for us. So I'm thankful for all of you, really thankful for all of you that positive comments that have gotten something out of what we do here. Love hearing from you. Those of you that are Grinches out there that don't like what I do, it's all good. There's plenty of other channels. Go visit it. It's all good. I'm just going to share what I'm doing. And if you don't like it, it's all good. You know, even for you guys, Merry Christmas to you at all. Being a hater is no way to go through life. So hopefully you all have a Merry Christmas as well. All right, so let's talk about what's going on in the markets. Markets had a good day today. S&P up 1.1% on the session. The Q's up 1.36%, and IWM up 0.92%. And then also watching Bitcoin today. If we watch Bitcoin up almost 4% on the day, back to 98,000. So good day on Bitcoin overall. All right, I'm going to be brief today. I'm going to show you a few new trades that we've been doing. Hopefully you get something great out of this, and I'll show you the accounts briefly here. Let's dive in and take a look at the accounts. All right, here we are on the main trading account. 427 Delta, 583. Now 365 on the net lick, just off of the more recent highs that we've had. A little bit of a dip and then back up. Things are rocking and rolling right now. BP usage has dropped. We did close a trade today for $3,975. That was a naked put on a 112C trade, so that closed today. And we continue to drive our income with 112 trades, strangle trades, some put credit spreads, and a couple Jade lizards and other things sprinkled in there for some spec trades. But all in all, really good stuff. We are right now at 25,288 on the month. So again, the best trading month right now we have ever had in this account. And we've closed out some losers that we didn't want to have, and we've rolled some trades. So I'm pretty happy with exactly where we are there. All right, lazy trader account. We finished today at 367,871, off of the all-time highs in this account, but we're still up $3,775 this month. So having another good month in here, and really bonds is what's kind of been hampering us a bit. When we cleaned out a few trades that really didn't belong in the investing account. We're going to be transitioning some of the SPY leaps that we do in the Lazy Trader. We're going to be moving those over to the main Income Navigator account, because that's really where I started that trade, shared that trade with everybody. We're going to keep that in the trading account, not really an investing account. So we're going to be moving that over. We put portfolio margin back into the main Income Navigator account just to do that with. So we'll be mixing futures as well as some equities and indexes as well. So that'll make things a little bit more interesting next year. We've got a great balance of what we have going. And then in the small account, having one of our best months ever, 896 in this account, up almost 5% this month alone. So just continue to trade our way on the small account, and we're near the new recent highs. We're about 100 and some bucks off of those. All right, let's jump into the account real quick, and let me share with you what I'm doing, what we're working on. You can see here there's a few trades, what we call the bull trap trade. And essentially what that is I'm buying a call spread, vertical call spread, financing it with a naked put. You can see this one on AMD right now is up 48%. Google, we're up 42% on our leaps. IBIT, we are up on, not only we've been writing covered calls against our poor man's covered call longs. These are doing great. We continue to just close and re-roll, close and roll out, and keep adding and adding and adding, generating income. We do have a bull trap trade here as well. This one's down a fraction, but totally fine. We're in the lower end of the tail, so nothing wrong there. With that, IWM. Naked puts, those are kind of just flat. Mobileye, we're also running the bull trap here. This thing's up technically almost 1,200%, but it's only $104 right now. Just a trade in Mobileye. Not really something that we want in the main income account, but we're going to use it just to make some cash. Meta here, we're up 26% in naked puts. Now, MicroStrategy, this is where we've been doing Jade Lizards. Now, these are reverse Jade Lizards, or if you want to call them long Jade Lizard, which is what the Tasty Trade platform calls it when I put these on. The way this trade is set up is we're actually selling a put credit spread, okay, to define our risk to the downside and against a naked call to the upside. So essentially similar to like a strangle or something along those lines. And here's what it looks like. This thing's going to generate roughly $600 in this particular account. And the great thing about this is we use $7,800 in margin for this account. So 600 on 7,800 is about a 7% return in about 14 days. So pretty good little trade. We just closed one today as well. So if you saw it on the dashboard there a minute ago, $440. We did close again a winner here today in that. So another Jade Lizard. We've got another one out here. This one's up $1,800 now in 8 days. And then we've also got poor man's covered call, which the longs are down, which is okay, but we just continue to generate income on these. So we just rolled recently, and I've been doing some in the monies as well, which is fine. I don't mind that this goes in the money because what I'm looking to get out of it is whatever extrinsic value there was at the time of the trade. Plus, I'm gonna give myself a little bit of downside. MicroStrategy's rallied a bit since then. Totally fine. I have no problem closing these for a bit of a loss, because if these are losing, then the longs are winning, and I'm okay either way. So MicroStrategy just keeps paying us about $2,000 a month on it. All right, NVIDIA, we're sitting here with a Jade Lizard in NVIDIA. This thing's up 37%. We've also got naked puts up 42%. We are in a QQQ 112, up 16% in 8 days. So yes, we can still do 112s on those. On the semiconductor index, we did a buy right here. We're down fractionally on the shares, but we've already closed one winner, and we have another win, and we have another covered call running here, which is in the money, which is great, which means we should see more gains to the longs. SPY, we're running a Jade Lizard, which is up 30% now in 11 days. We've got multiple put credit spreads. We've got our SPY leaps that will be transitioning to the Income Navigator account. All good. Those are all nicely generating some cash. Square, we're down a bit on that trade. We've got a long call, covered call. We keep generating cash while we wait to see what happens with Square. Bonds is where our biggest problem are. Good day up in bonds, but overall our bond positions are down. We're down. We have short TLT, but we have been writing covered calls or linked calls against all of these contracts, and we just keep closing those for winners. All right, TANA doing great, 33%. VOO doing great, 89%. Time to take that off. So there's where we are. That's where our trades are on here. So two of the trades really working right now: inverse Jade Lizard, as well as the 112C on futures, as well as the bull combo spreads that we're running. Again, I want to wish everybody out there a Merry Christmas. Spend the next 2 days with your family. I hope you got some stuff out of these trades from us. If you like this video, give me the like button. Let's see if we can get to 1,000 likes or so on this, even though it's the holiday. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, and have a great holiday, everybody. Take care.